In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste a link on a screenshot in Figma. If you're looking to make your designs more interactive, or you need to convey additional information through your visuals, this method is ideal. You are just a few simple steps away from enhancing your design capabilities in Figma, and I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right into it. First off, open your web browser and search for Figma. This will take you to Figma's homepage where you will begin our journey today. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you might want to sign up first. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your details. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Here, you need to import the screenshot you want to work with into your Figma design file. Simply drag and drop your image onto the canvas, or alternatively, look for the import option to bring your file into view. Now, let's create a text layer over your image. To do this, select the Text tool, which can be easily accessed by either clicking on the text T icon from the toolbar or simply pressing the letter T on your keyboard. This tool allows you to place a placeholder text box anywhere you want on your canvas, specifically over the portion of the image where you intend the link to be. Once your text layer is created, we move on to positioning and styling the text. You want this text to be practically invisible, so adjusting it is key. Use the text tools to position it just right and then make it transparent or nearly so. You can achieve this by changing the font color to match the background, making it blend into the image seamlessly. Another trick is to use a blend mode if needed to ensure it doesn't detract from your design's aesthetics. The essential step is creating the link itself. Select the text layer you've just positioned and styled. Then, in the top right corner of the Properties panel, you'll notice a link icon. Click on it, or you can use the shortcut Shift+Command+U on a Mac or Shift+Control+U on Windows. Upon doing so, a field will appear. Paste your desired URL into this field and press Enter to apply the link. Finally, to ensure everything is in working order, hover over the area where you pasted the link. You should see the URL appear as you hover. For a more comprehensive test, during a prototype presentation, click on the image. This will verify that your link is functioning correctly and your design is now interactive. And there you have it. You've successfully pasted a link onto a screenshot in Figma, enhancing your design's interactivity. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.